student. Today we are going to study practical number 11, that is to evaluate size of the project using function point metric for the assigned project. Learning outcomes of these videos are: after watching this video, you will be able to know about how to evaluate the size of the project using function point metric for the assigned project. Practical significance are: since functionality cannot be measured directly, it must be derived indirectly using the direct measures. Function-oriented metrics uses a measure called the function point. Function points are derived using an empirical relationship based on countable measures of the software's information domain and assessment of the software complexity. This practical is useful for evaluating size of the project. Then we will see how to calculate function point.
The oriented model is based on functionality of delivered application. These are generally independent of programming language used. This method is developed in 1979. It uses function points. Function points are derived using countable measures of the software requirement domain and assessment of the software complexity. Then next we'll see how to calculate function point. The data for following information domain characteristics are collected. Okay, for which particular information on your project the data is collected, that we'll see. First is number of user input. What is the number of user input? Each user input which provide distinct application data to the software is counted. The second thing, that is the number of user output. What is the number of user outputs? Each user output that provides application data to the user is counted, that is screen, reports, error messages. Then third thing is number of user inquiries, an online input that results in generation of some immediate software response in the form of an output. The next is the number of files. Each logical master file, that is a logical grouping of data that may be part of a database or a separate file. The number of external interfaces are found out. That is all machine readable interfaces that are used to transmit information to another system are counted. In this particular table, you can see the weightage factor should be determined by observation or by experiments. That particular table, that is the count table, can be computed with the help of this particular above table, with the help of this particular given table. The next, you can see what is the formula to calculate the function point. Function point equals to count total. Here you can see here the count total, what will be the answer. Then with that help you can find out the value of this function point. Function point equals to count total into in bracket 0.65 plus 0.01 into sum of f of I. By using this formula, you will calculate the value of fp. Let's consider next example here.
Continue.
of user output. What is the number of user output? Each user
काव्या आवाज बंद कर.
The example is like that. Study of requirement specification for ABC project has produced the given data, 7 inputs, 10 outputs, 6 enquiries, 17 files, 4 internal interfaces. Then you have to determine function point assuming complexity adjustment value is 32. Okay, here 32 is the value of adjusted function point value, that is the summation of f of I equals to 32. Then we have to calculate count total value. Okay, then let's see. In this example, given that input and external interface function point attributes are of average. Input and external interfaces are of average value. So you have to take the value of this in number of user input and external interfaces for average value from the table which we have seen previously. Then the rest are given as a simple. So take the value of simple as from the simple column from the above table which we have studied. Then you have to calculate the particular value. Count total. So 7 into 4, 10 into 4. Here the multiplication value will be here. We have to find out the total of this particular column and they put the values in this formula function point. Count total that we got here 233 into, according to your formula, 0.65 plus 0.01 into summation of f of I. In this example, it is given as 32. After counting this particular, after finding out, you will get the answer. Function point equals to 226.01. Okay. In this way, you have to calculate the function point.
Thank you for watching this video.